guys! Magbubukas tayo ng for today's video. Magbubukas tayo ng gift. Unboxing of gift that I received in my birthday. So here's the gift that I received. Tara! Paano may na-receive yung tayong gift? So I'm gonna start with this little tiny red gift. Ano to? Hirap yung buksan, guys. Try ko siya sirain yung lagayin. Sayang. Magagamit ko sa mga bagay. Ay! Sira. Sira na siya. Kailangan na. Ooh! Wow! So I get a letter. Sign natin. HPD everyday. Another number has been added to you this day. But I believe it was that what's in your heart remains, your thoughtful hearts that only God knows. What is it? No, hindi ko mabasa. No mess ka? Ha? Hindi ko mabasa, guys. Basta yun, enjoy and may God continue to bless you, protect you, and strengthen you. May He always lead you to break. Ha? May He always lead you to grow and fill your cup. God bless and thank you sa pagkain. Dams! From Daniela Briomos. Thank you, guys. And this, what is this? Wow, chocolate. I got to see a chocolate brale. Wow, so sweet. And wow, nice. Ang maliit akong bowl na receipt that. Kumar. Guys, next tayo. This big box. Ito yung laman na ito. Oops, sala. Napunit ko na. Ay, wala pa nila ito. Wala kang pangalan. What's this then? Oh! Priceless emotion. Oh my god! Sino nag-gift na ito? Nakalimutan ko. Oh my god! May bag na akong ganito. I'm planning to buy a bag like this, but yeah, someone gifted me. Oh my god! Ang ganda. So nice. So nice, so nice, guys. Malit lang siya pang pocket mug. Pang gala-gala. Nice. I love it. And then, perfume. From Mariel Encina. Thanks, Mariel Encina. Itong bag, I forgot who gifted this to me. Hindi ko nakatandaan yung pangalan kasi. Binigyan niya lang, I think kay Bingot. Wala? Wala kay Bingot siguro. Kay LB. Yeah, I guess. O kayo naman. Basta thank you. Ito kay Mario Encina. Thank you sa pabango. May 3 different flavors guys. Vanilla, mousse, and juicy floral. Bango niya. Sobrang bango niya. Dahil ka na pabango. For gift lang. And then, I have this. Bruce carton. From LB Douglas. See, inside. Nakatape pa siya, guys. Inikit na. Ano kaya to? Ang coins. Sayang siya pangipin kasi ang ganda. Eh, I don't have other choice. Nakadikit siya. Okay, yan na lang natin. Ganda na lang natin buksan. Ang ating, ano ba to? Ano ba laman? Oops. Ah! Nagulit na siya. Wala na. Oh my god, nagulit na siya. Ito. Eh? Salon pass. Oh my god, I have a salon pass. Small but terrible. Thank you, Bingot. Thank you, Bingot. Get a salon pass. Actually, I never use salon pass since then. So yeah. Gagamitin ko ito pag masakit ang kasukasuan natin kasi tumatanda na tayo. Kaya ako binigyan ng ganito kasi tumatanda na tayo kung masakit ang kasukasuan natin. So yeah. Thank you, LB Bobes. And last but not the least, bag na naman ito. May nagbigay sa akin ng bag dahil naka-guess pa yan. Guess. Oh my god, ang pangit. Nakita ko lang sa store na nakaraan. I want to buy, but I don't have money yet. You know, my friend bought this bag to me. Oh my god. And gift that I was to me. Oh my, charot. I guess na bag, guys. I'm so lucky. Ang ganda. May pangkala na akong bag. Ay, what pa? Ang ganda na natin. Hello, ang ganda. Ang ganda sobra. Sobra naman. Ang ganda ng gift ko. Samayin na natin ito para magamit natin. Next, card. Bigas Asan na yung sling bag? May sling bag lang siya naman. Tapos sling bag. Like this, like this. Like that. Or like this. Nice. Lang kay Kathleen Mayo Rabino. That's all, guys. Ito na mga na-receive from here. I'm so very thankful. At least I get some gifts for my birthday, but I didn't expect that. So yeah, that's all.